So I told you we just had during 2 years anniversary of Women's Conference.
Yes.
We protect our culture and we preserve our culture, so we will not lose our culture. So when we have our conference, we bring the students. We invite students, high school students, and so they come and listen to the conference. And during our conference, we talk about 4 topics. We talk about culture and tradition. Tradition is very important.
Yes.
For us. And then we talk about health. Then we talk about education, and then we talk about environment.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we have when we finish our conference, we make a book. The books we write is usually in Palawan, and that's our way of teaching them how to learn how to read their language, because a lot of our children, they speak English. So Palawan is a matrilineal system. So the women also, she reminded me that we teach traditional dance.
Traditional dance.
Yeah, and we teach chanting. Chanting is another music. This year, every year we have a lot of dancers from elementary up to high school or to adults.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we teach them this area. We teach them how to plant the taro and other vegetable like sweet potatoes, yellow taro, purple taro, and then they plant bananas. They plant coconut, different plant the flowers and the food.
Yeah.
And they also learn to plant, learn to harvest, learn to cook. And they learn to how to peel and cut, and then they eat.
Yes.
And then we invite the parents of the students to come and eat with them.